Hello and welcome to a Vandal vlog video. Check this out. So where I left off with you guys last night, I picked up a washing machine, a tumble dryer, a small tumble dryer, and I picked up that cooker that the RAC guy said. And last night I went out to pick up this is some cast pipe. Oh, there's a big manhole cover in there as well. That was for Huntley's, the scrapyard. Vandal Vlogs is now unofficially sponsored by the scrapyard. Yes, well, I'll say unofficially. So they asked for my number and said, look, if we get anything, do you want it? You go and get it and bring it to us and we'll give you a normal price for it. And I was like, yeah, sure. So they did. So that's cool. So I went to grab that, and last night I also found a cooker, a dishwasher, a washing machine in exactly the same place where I found the last one, a whole bunch of short steel, and I mean there's loads of it, and got some other stuff for some of the transformers I've got out of the appliances and stuff. If we look in here, we are stacked. I can't even remember how many appliances we got on here. There's another washing machine there, there's 2 more dishwashers, there's a cooker, there's a tumble dryer there, I think there's another one underneath that, and a small tumble dryer. We got 5 or 6 microwaves, an assortment of shearing, aluminium over there. There's one boiler there, the other boiler with the lead rad radiator is in the back of Betty. It's that gearbox, I'm going to weigh that in with a non-ferrous. And damn, where was I? And in the back of Betty I've got a stainless steel sink. All of that in there is stainless steel, some heavy stuff in there. That big round bit must weigh 10 kg on its own. Down here got some lovely bits of aluminium. There's a boiler in there. Yeah. Oh, and aluminium pots and pans. So yeah, so the plan is make my way to the scrapyard and try and fill this up. I'm just about to go indoors and see if I can get any Facebook pickups, but we'll make our way there and I will get this emptied. Flipping heck, how much is this going to take? Once those shelves are out, oh my days, this is going to be huge. But it's good times. We got some metal. Right, I'm going to put some feelers out and see what I can grab off Facebook. We're going to go scrapping. I'm going to go and get weighed and paid. We're going to come back and I'm going to get all my non-ferrous together. This could be a good week for money. Oh yes. Yeah. Right, let's go. And here we go. It is Wednesday morning, 10 AM. The sun's come out. It was absolutely chucking it down this morning again, hence the late start. But now we're on it and we're on a roll. I need to stop my breathing. Someone said I sound like a pleb in the playground. It's probably right. I hear it back and I'm like, what, do I really sound like that? Oh, I spotted a few little scrappy bits from across the ways here. I'm just going to pull up here. Get gloved up. I don't want to get the Rona. Snips. Keys. Took my keys, are you happy? Now watch me lose them. Oh, hello. Yeah. Oh, no taps. Take that. Oh, there's a bit of copper there. That's alright, it's a nice little scoop there. Battery in the box there. Well, that's a nice first score. That's sticky. No sticky, no sticky icky, sticky, that's scrappity. I stole it. So I'll just throw them up front. What do they even do is? Oh, I can't even scrap them, can I? Stop breathing. Gets in. Well, as first stops go, that wasn't a bad one. Have a nice little bit of stainless to go in with. Could be another good payday with all that non-ferrous. But this van is cavernous. It's like, am I ever going to fill it up? I keep sorting it out, but I'll just keep making more room. Not that I'm complaining, I just need stuff to fill it with. Alright, we've got some blinking bed frames here. That is really bad parking. It's metal, it's going in. Oh, there's quite a bit of it. Quite a bit of shear in there. That's the way to do it. Nice and steady. Time's quite nice, heavy. I'll take shear in. The lights. Oh, whatever we go in with today, it's the biggest load yet. Nice little heavy bits there. Good weight. Got it ready. All that in there, you'd hardly know it. That's what I call a good little score on that. Flipping heck. There's some really good weight to that metal. It's got to be over a ton. Well, it's definitely over a ton in this van. I want to get a ton of light iron now. That is the goal. Fresh bits and pieces here. Where am I taking that key? What gloves I want? Is that it? Metal, I suppose. Cord cutter. The bastards. I ain't got nothing else. I'll just take it. So just down here should be a hoover on a wall. I left it there as a marker last night, just to see if any scrappers had come through last night or this morning. Where is it? I'm sure it was up here. Oh, I think it's gone. It's gone. So the scrappers have been through this morning then. Just down here, it looks like a shop's being fitted out or something, and there's a bunch of metal. Let me show you guys. See it around that cage? There's loads of metal there. Some work vans here. So that was almost a yes that turned into a November Oscar. So there was as I got out, there was a bloke crossing the road, and I said, "Oh, do you need to get rid of that?" He went, "Yeah, I do." He goes, "There's a fridge in there, but it's been degassed." I was like, "All right, I'll take some pictures, and I'll come back and I'll grab it." And he goes, "Let me just double check." And then another bloke come out and he goes, "Oh no, I've already got someone coming to get it." So I was like, "Oh, what?" That would have been a stainless score there. That was, oh, what was it with stainless and me? Just not getting on. But oh well, it was worth an ask. It was almost a yes, but it was most definitely a no. There's a few scrappy bits here. I mean, literally a few scrappy bits. Oh, it's not even funny. wall back up. It's plastic, isn't it? I'll even take the trolley today. Don't open that door. As you can see, we've got loads of room in here. Well guys, I don't think we are going to get much else. It is now 20 to 12, so the scrapyard shuts at 12:30 for lunch. So I'm going to shoot over there now. If I get anything on the way, I'll let you know. But let's go and get weighed and paid and see what we get. you go. There's my little pile. All that crap just come out of there. Whew. Oh, that was hard work. I'm just sort of splitting up the shearing and that, but unless you can pack it all split up, it's difficult. Right, before my battery runs out, let's get the shearing done and then short steel. Well, that's the short, the shearing done. Just got the short left to do. There's loads of it in the back. Just waiting for this lorry to go in and get weighed. Weighed in and weighed out. We got weighed and we got paid, and as usual, my weights were way off. So we went in with light hot iron, we had half a ton on the nose at £150 a ton for light iron at Huntley's, Southampton. Get yourselves down there. That was £75 in light iron. Shearing steel at 140 kilos at £225 a ton for £31.50p. Short steel, I also had 140 kilos for £230 a ton for £32.20p, which gave me a final sum of £138.70. That is a win. That was just yesterday. And them tiny few little bits that you just saw me pick up, I've still got 20 bucks. Yeah, I've still got 20 bucks in the fuel tank, so that only cost me £20. So that was £120 profit on that. That's good times. £150 a ton for light iron. Get yourselves to Huntley's, my unofficial sponsor. That short steel, to be fair, I'd say at least 100 kilos of that is what I picked up for Huntley's. That was cast down pipes, and it was a manhole or something. And I'll say the other 40 kilos is about right, because it was just a bunch of small little bits and pieces. And that shearing, oh, was that annoying trying to get that lot out and separated. That was annoying. But right, for now, I'm going home and I'm going to get this van sorted out, get all the non-ferrous sorted out that I can. They're paying £5.75 a kilo at the moment for heavy copper, £3.40 a kilo for brass. I didn't ask him about the lead wash, but hopefully he'll do me a deal on the lead wash radiator again once I get that out. So I'm going to go home, I'm going to have some lunch and crack on with it and try and get back there before 4:30 with as much stainless, aluminium, motors, copper, brass, flipping anything I can get hold of. Go in there like a boss and have an amazing payday. So that's 140 quid today so far. If we can get another 240 quid, that'd be nice, like 400 bucks. Yeah. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Until the next one, be cool, be kind, and I'll see you next time. And if you wouldn't mind giving this video a little pause up, I'd really appreciate it. It helps out the channel and all that yada yada yada. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe and come on this mad little journey that we're going on to see if I can make a living out of scrap metal. We'll see. But for now, towards greatness.